Hello everyone! Today is the 10th day of our Sicily Lovers Tour, our small group tour of Sicily, and we are experiencing Mount Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe. It's about 11,000 feet above sea level. This is the beautiful Silvestri crater, one of the several Silvestri craters. Actually, it's a group of extinct craters. This is the lower Silvestri, while the one I'm pointing out right now, that's the higher Silvestri crater. The one you see behind me is not the top of the volcano. It's just let's say a small mountain. Mount Etna is one of the hugest volcanoes in the world, not only the highest volcano in Europe. We are at 6,000 feet above sea level. This is very, very enjoyable, very safe. Let me say something. So Mount Etna, this is a common question. Mount Etna is never dangerous. First, because it's one of the biggest volcanoes in the world. So if you are experiencing the hiking in one of the extinct craters at medium level altitude, you'll be very distant from the top active craters. Then the composition of lava, maybe you experienced Hawaii in the past. Hawaii lava flows, lava rivers, they run faster than the ones we have here in Sicily. Lava from Mount Etna consists of a different composition. In particular, silicate makes lava more dense, so it runs very, very slow. It means you have all the time of the world to move, to leave the location of the eruption. You'll never be in trouble. Let me show the beautiful landscape behind me. If you are good watchers, you can see the beautiful east coastline of Sicily. So we can see Catania. That way we can see Taormina. And this is just one of the several possibilities that Mount Etna offers. If you want to include Mount Etna in our custom private tours of Sicily, there are plenty of choices. You can decide if visit the east side, like in this case, or the north side, the south. All locations are very, very spectacular. They offer a different landscape, different possibilities in terms of hiking. But there's something that maybe is always special on Mount Etna. I mean, the wineries that cover the slopes of Mount Etna. We have beautiful ancient wineries, historic wineries. And thanks to the volcanic soil, you should know that the wine that they produce on Mount Etna, on the slopes of Mount Etna, is one of the best in the world. An excellent refined wine. And I want to guarantee that this kind of excursion is very, very easy. As you can see, there are people in their 70s, in their 80s. They are easily enjoying this excursion. We don't say hike, this is a stroll. So very, very, very easy. And I want to underline, I want to clarify that it's possible to not only walking on the edge of these extinct craters, but you can also walk in the middle, in the center of the crater. I want to clarify something interesting. Once a crater finishes its activity, it's impossible that a new activity starts over in the same position, in the same place. That's why people are allowed to enter the crater. And now let me talk about maybe the best feature Mount Etna haunts. It's one of the few locations in the world that gives you the chance to ski in the winter time while enjoying the sea view and maybe the eruption in the same time. So maybe only in Japan you have the same opportunity on Mount Fuji, but this is Sicily. Sicily, as always, is a beautiful source of surprises. So I hope you enjoy this opportunity one day in your life. So I'm almost at the end of my walking tour. I just accomplished the trail around the edge of the Silvestri crater, the lower Silvestri crater, and I'm ready to join the Sicily Lovers. Sicily Lovers are the lucky people, 20 lucky people who joined our small group tour of Sicily named Sicily Lovers Tour. For those who don't know yet, the Sicily Lovers Tour is a small group tour of Sicily reserved for only 20 people, and it takes place normally in April, May and September. The 3 editions in 2026 are already sold out, so if you want to join one of our Sicily Lovers Tour, you can check the availability on our website, bestingstudintsicily.com. We still have some available spots in 2027, and for those who want a custom private tour of Sicily, of course it will be available all year round. So you can send us an email at info@bestingstudintsicily.com, and we will put together the best trip according to your special needs and passions. So from the lower Silvestri crater, it's all. From Mount Etna, it's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel, and love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. See you the next one. Mwah!